Hello, my name is Faizal Musyarof. I'm from Informatics 48 International Class. My ID is 1030 1244 0014. Uh, Here, I want to explain about concept of database, the disadvantage of traditional file processing, and the advantages of database approach, and the risks involved and the database life cycle. Uh, First, I want to explain about basic concepts and definition. Here is the visual of data versus information knowledge. Uh, Database is an organized collection of logically and related data. Data is facts concerning objects and events that could be recorded and stored on computer media, stored representation of objects and events that have meaning and importance in the user environment, and information is that the data that have been processed in such a way as to increase the knowledge of the person who used the data. Traditional file processing system is when computer-based data processing was first available, there were no database. To be useful for business application, computer had to store, manipulate, and retrieve large file of data. Computer file store processing systems were developed for this purpose. But there is a disadvantage of file processing system, which is the first program data dependence. Any change in data structure means rewriting application program. Data duplication, and then limited data sharing and lengthy development times, and then the last is excessive program maintenance. But there's an advantage of DBMS or database management system, which is number one is program data independence, planned data redundancy, and improved data consistency, improved data sharing, enforcement of standard, improved data quality, increased productivity of application development, improved data accessibility and responsiveness, and reduce program maintenance. And the last is improved decision support. But that's the cost and risk of the database approach, which is a new specialized personnel, installation and management costs and complexity, conversion costs, need for explicit backup and recovery, and organizational conflict. We move to the database lifecycle. Database lifecycle has these five: planning, analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance. First, we go to planning. Uh, Planning have a purpose to develop a preliminary understanding of a business situation and how information system might help solve a problem, make an opportunity possible. Planning consists of two steps, which is one, enterprise modeling, and two, conceptual modeling. Here is the difference. And then we go to analysis. The analysis is to analyze the business situation to lead to determine requirements, to structure those requirements, and to select among competing system features. This conceptual data modeling part 2. Develop preliminary conceptual data model, including entities and relationship. Compare preliminary conceptual data, and develop detailed conceptual data modeling. Make conceptual data model inconsistent with other models of information system, and populate repository with all conceptual database. And then we move to design. Design is to elicit and structure all information requirements to develop all technology and organizational specification. Consists of two steps, which is logical database design and physical database design and definition. Here is the explanation. And then implementation. Implementation is to write programs, build database, test, and install the new system, train users, and finalize documentation. The step is code and test database processing program, complete database documentation and training materials, install database and convert from prior system. And then the last, we have maintenance. Maintenance purpose is to monitor the operation and usefulness of the system and to repair and enhance the system. The step is analyze database and database application to ensure that evolving information requirements are met, tune database for improved performance, and fix error in database and database application recover database. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.